Too many Amazon influencers waste time reviewing products that never sell. If you've ever asked yourself, why aren't my videos getting traction? Viral View has the answer. With its product view overlay, Viral View shows you high revenue, low competition products instantly, complete with a viral score to guide your content strategy. The platform also tracks your Amazon video performance, showing whether your content ranks in the top or bottom carousel. That's powerful insight you won't get on Amazon alone. And to really give you an edge, Viral View Storefront Spy lets you analyze other influencers' storefronts so you can spot winning strategies. Plus, with automated creator connections, you'll land brand deals faster with less outreach. Why guess when you can grow with data? Hit the link in my description, sign up for Viral View, and start scaling your storefront today.